If you have created an email account for your website, it's very useful to have access to the mailbox on your smartphone. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can set up the email on your iPhone. Make sure to smash the thumbs up if you think this content is interesting and helpful. I would appreciate it. I will use the email address info@websitelearninglab.com for this example. And I already have created this email in the SiteGround dashboard, and I also explained step by step how you can do this in a previous tutorial. I will also add a link to the description of this video, but let me quickly show it again in case you don't know how to do it yet. So as you can see, I'm logged into the Site Tools panel of this website, and now you need to go to the email options that you can see over here on the left. Click on it. Now you can click on Accounts, and over here you can see the option Create New Email Account, and at the account name field you can enter an email address, for example info, and it will be followed by @websitelearninglab.com. That's the URL of the website. Now you can enter a password, and after that you can click on the orange create button. So that's everything you need to do, and after that's done you can add the email to your iPhone. First you need to go to settings over here, then go to the mail option that you see over here, click on it. Now select accounts. Now you can click on new account. This is in Dutch, so it's translated a little different, but it says new account over here. Click on it. Now you can select the option other below. That's this one. Now you can select add email account. In the first field you can enter the name for the mail account that you want to create. Now go to the second field and enter the email address that you have created in the SiteGround dashboard. Now you can enter the password, and you have to make sure it's the same password as you have also used in the SiteGround dashboard when you created the email. After that's done, you can click on Next. Over here at the hostname field, you can enter websitelearninglab.com. So basically that's the URL of the website, only the last part, the name of the website, followed by .com or what else you have there. Now enter the username, and this is the email address again, which is info@websitelearninglab.com. The password automatically has been filled in. So now you go to the last fields over here, and over here you can add the same name as you have entered over here. So I'll just copy and paste it like that. Username is also the same, so copy and paste it. And the same goes for the password. And now you can click on Next. And the last step, click on Save. And now you can see that the email has been added. So that's it. And now if you go to the mailbox, to your email app, you see that over here the email account has been added. And let me send a test email. Send. Now we have to see if the email will arrive. And as you can see over here, now it says one email, and you see test. So everything is working fine, and you can also send emails from this email account to other email addresses, for example. So that's how you can add the email that you have created in SiteGround to your iPhone, which makes things a lot easier. You can see right away when a new email has been sent to your inbox, and you can reply. So that's great. So that's everything you need to know on how to set up your email on your iPhone. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know in the comment section, and I will do my best to help you out. If you have any suggestions for topics for me to make videos about, let me know in the comment section, and I will do my best to make a video about it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already. Also hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date on new videos that will be uploaded. And with that being said, thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day, and I will see you again in the next video.